left, and then I'm going to do 3 minutes of announcements.
I think that's good. He better be.
It's right there.
Oh, I have to slip my boss.
May I have your attention, please? In 5. Oh, we need to take a seat. Oh my God, take a seat. Yes. Mike, please take a seat. Please take a seat.
I can't wait till the end of the
You please. Shane and Michael, this is a friendly reminder that you just follow directions the first time to
I got blue eyes from girl. Shut up.
Hey! Hey!
May I have your attention, please, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you. All right, I'm going to do 3 minutes of announcements, just 3 minutes and 10. And then we'll go right into our agenda for today. All right, so we just went through our do now. I'm doing announcements right now. We're going to take notes, and then we're going to do some teacher-led instruction, so I'll give you undivided attention during that time. We're going to do some guided practice, do some problems as a class. Then you'll be doing some independent practice, and then you're going to, we'll have time to work on your homework for tonight, your practice for tonight. Okay. So we said before, we've got 4 rules in this class. What are those 4 rules? Where can we find them? Yes, Blake? Up there, exactly. Would you read them out to us in an imperial voice?
Practice integrity.
Imperial!
Really good.
Like an emperor.
Pass it on.
Pass on. Okay.
Pass back.
Do we have somebody in here who can take the challenge of reading this in an imperial voice? She's walking eagle. Show us how it's done.
Read what again?
Our 4 rules.
Pause.
Duh.
What does PAUSE stand for?
Practice integrity, accept responsibility, work hard, and show respect.
All right, thank you.
Pause.
Now what that means is, all right, settle in. What that means is, when we practice integrity, we're treating other people the way that we want to be treated. We are honest, we're doing the right thing. So next one, accept responsibility. That means that for our own actions, we are saying, yes, I did this. I'm taking responsibility, not blaming other people. Hearing some murmurings.
Touch my desk.
Next.
Global pause.
Next is work hard. That means you're taking all of your time, using all of your time in class wisely, finishing your work, doing the practice when you're asked to practice, so that you can get better and get smarter. Next is to show respect. That means you're showing respect to yourself, showing respect to your peers, and showing respect to your teacher and any visitors that we may have.
He's in my desk.
Turn around. Face front.
Okay,
Yeah. Be in the desk.
so yesterday we talked briefly about the language of power.
I was looking for that interview.
Yeah, I didn't put it up yet because I wanted to talk to you guys about it again. Hold it up.
May I?
Now,
I need.
I need your respect right now.
Hey, that's a no-no. You need, may I have your...
I've asked for it.
You guys got wrong.
May I please have your attention and respect? In case you were wondering if this kind of level of noise and attention is worth a class point, it is not.
What's so good about the class point?
Everything. You get 20 minutes of your free time when you get there. We decided that.
When we get to where?
We get to 100. got 7 points today. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I'll tell you what, they weren't making noises like that while I was talking. May I have your attention, please, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's get back to our announcements. Micah, this is a friendly reminder that I need your attention up here when I ask for it. Oh, yeah. Directions also verbal warnings.
Me? Jeez, be quiet!
I think we might have to. I hate to do a sign and see stuff. Let me know what's going on. I want to know why you're talking while I'm talking. I'm not showing you that kind of disrespect. I'm going to give another one. I might tear them up and show you now. Let go. Let go. Maybe your attention, please, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Micah, please fill that out. Okay. Yesterday we talked about the language of power to get what we need. Language of power is a language that we use as professionals to show that we are professional, to show that we're polite, to get what we need. We said we shouldn't use phrases like, I need something, or can I have something? We want to use, may I please have something? Because that tells other people that we're polite, that we know how to ask for the things that we want. We're practicing for life outside of school. That's why we're doing this. Yes, you may be able to get what you want from your friends, or maybe even other teachers by saying, I need, or can I have? But we're going to practice for outside of school, when we get out there in the real world, because we want people to think that we are professionals, that we know how to do, how to get what we want. Yes, Alana?
So like when we're out there in the real world, out there in the real world, like in the real world. When we are out there, are you gonna be following us? And if we ask somebody for something, and I get a ticket?
No, and that's why we're doing it now. I won't be there to help you later, so I want to help you now.
But what if we don't do it?
It's your responsibility to do it, so you can sound like a professional when you get out there. You need to raise your hands, just like Wanley is doing right now, to ask a question. Go ahead, Wanley. Wanley? No thoughts? Okay, go ahead, Micah.
Then why do we have to act like professionals?
Because we're in a professional environment. Remember we talked about that? We've done a long session. We're getting ready. We need to do that now. These are great questions. We need to get ready to do this now.
There you go.
Yes, Shane? Okay, I'll be right over.
You do that.
All right. So, in my last thing, problem-solving strategies. We're going to be working on the problem-solving strategy of draw a picture or diagram. Elemental, friendly reminder. Need your attention up here. Okay. We're going to be working on drawing a picture or diagram to explain word problems. Because when we see a word problem, we're not always sure what's going on in them. And that's okay when we see them at first glance. Caleb? Thank you. Okay. Draw a picture or diagram. We're going to be using that throughout the day today. Now, just so you know, that was supposed to take 3 minutes. It took 3 minutes in my 2 other classes. You can't see with the glare. It took me 8 minutes for this class. This is the only class where that took 5 minutes more, almost 3 times as much. You are wasting your own time. It's not funny. That's not funny at all.
That's a new record. That's a new record.
We're going to see how well you go against the other classes when it comes to solving problems as well. Because I timed them too.
We're going to do it professionally.
Love to see it. Okay. Next, we are taking notes.
He said.
No, you were right.
I don't like. Oh, that's the wrong.
All right. larger or smaller, its sides are multiplied by a scale factor. I'm going to be demonstrating that in a minute. I'm going to need 2 volunteers to help me out. So get this down right now, please, in your notebook. So you'd like to see your counselor and talk to me outside the class and wait, this doesn't make sense. Which is this? Oh, by the way, if you need to see your counselor, I'll send an email out. I can't send you right now. Okay? Okay.
Hey, mine's still not pencil.
Okay, you need to take this out so your statement, you need to tell me what your action was like.
She needs a new one, then.
No, she needs to use the one that she had.
Why she circle all of them?
Here you go.
Okay. So you have something to trade? What did you trade your pen for?
Oh my God, I'm not being
That's taking away from your time right now. Right. Alright, if you need to borrow a pencil, if something happened to your pen suddenly, you may come up.
Oh, yeah. Fine.
She don't write anything about me.
Yes, ma'am.
Michael is done with her paper.
Okay, I'm gonna step out. Are you?
I was asking you, you really, because it's not draw those shapes, they're like harder than ever. They're like harder to draw than Mount Everest. Because action.
Shows how bad of a teacher she is. She doesn't have her class control or whatever. She's just next to her. And then when she did no class, then she
Every time your grandpa was on teacher, he would have the job to tell her.
yeah.
Hi, yeah.
He said that what?